Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to discuss linear equations, how we can solve linear equations algebraically. The question is solve algebraically, which means find the value of x and y. Okay, I hope you already solved some questions given in earlier classes. Then after that you may listen this class. Okay, here solve algebraically. 2 by x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 1 by 6 and 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 0. Here, so all terms are in the form of a fraction. 2 by x, 2 by 3y and 3 by x, 2 by y. Everything, each and every terms in the form of a fraction. So here we are going to give a substitution. Okay, we are giving a substitution. Here you see x in the both the equation, x is in denominator. Similarly, in the both the case, y is in denominator. In this one, we are going to give, let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v, because 1 by x, that's all, because x is in denominator, 1 by y, both y is in denominator, both the case. So we can give the substitution 1 by x, that is x denominator is u, denominator of y is equal to v. Okay, then so how we can change it? Our question 2, which means 2 into 1 by x, is it? First one, plus 2 into 1 by y, here 1 3, is it? This is the expanded form, splitted form. So 2 into 1 by x. So how we can give for the first one, this equation? So 2 instead of 1 by x we can give u. 2u plus 1 by y in 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 v. Okay, is equal to, there is no any variable, so that is 1 by 6 itself. Similarly, second one, that which means 3 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y. Is it? So meaning. So the second one is 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now you see how we can give a substitution. Listen here. First of all, you may check the where is the variable. The variable is in the denominator. Both x and y is in denominator. So we can give a substitution 1 by x and 1 by y. Okay. Then the first question 2 by x means that is 2 into 1 by x. That is the meaning. 2 by 3 y means 2 by 3 into 1 by y. So instead of 1 by x we can give one substitution. Instead of 1 by y we can give any one substitution. A or B, X, U or anyone, P or Q, anyone, as used. Okay, then similarly, 3 into 1 by X plus 2 into 1 by Y. Okay, then here, in the second equation, there is no any fractional form. The 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. So there is no need to change in any way. Then first one, we can take LCM and solve it as our previous question. Okay. So first one, we are going to convert this first one. Okay. How we can convert? Then what is the LCM here? This is the denominator is 1, 3 and 6. So 6 is the LCM. So multiply with the 6. Then 12u plus 4v. Is it a multiply with the 6 means 6 and 3 cutting. Then 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 4v is equal to 1. Okay, 6 into 6 become cancelled. Okay, that is the equation number 1 now converted as this form. Okay, there is no change in the value. Then second one, 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Okay, then now it is in the form of a linear equation. We can solve it, which means we are going to find the value of u and v from this equation. The value of u and v from this equation. So how we can solve? Then here I am going to multiply 2 into 4. 2 equation number 2 with 4 means how it become u become same. Okay, into 4. Then how it will change? The equation number 2 again change as 4 3s are 12u plus 4 2s are 8v is equal to 4 into 0 becomes 0. Okay, so now our equation number 2 changed as 12u plus 8v is equal to 0. Then here once again I am writing that equations together. Okay, 12u plus 4v is equal to 1, equation number 1. Then equation number 2 become 12u plus 8v is equal to 0. That is now equation number 2. Okay, then now both are same, 12u and 12u we can subtract. So 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1 anyway. Then 12u minus 12u become 0. 4v minus 8v become minus 4v. Is it 4 minus 8? Minus 4v is equal to 1 minus 0, 1. That is minus 4v is equal to 1. Therefore, v is equal to 1 by minus 4 or minus 1 by 4. Okay. Or minus 1 by 4. Both are same. That is the value of v. Then we know v. Now we found v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. Then therefore y, we are finding the value of x and y. Therefore y is equal to, how we can find? Okay. Last we can find it. Okay. Similarly we are substituting and we can find u also here. Then now the value of v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Here minus, substitute v is equal to minus 1 by 4 in equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. So 12u plus 4 into minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, then here you see 4 and 4 will cancel. So 12u plus it's here 12u is equal, okay, we can take it 12u is equal to 1, it become, that side become plus 1, that is 12u is equal to 2. Okay, 1 it's become plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. Then therefore u is equal to 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6. The value of u is equal to 1 by 6. The value of v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Then here v is equal to minus 1 by 4, u is equal to 1 by 6. But our question is find the value of x and y. So we took already u is equal to 1 by x. V is equal to 1 by y. That is the then again reciprocal form. Okay, listen. That is u is equal to 1 by 6 and v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, then our assume is u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. Therefore, instead of u is equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by x is equal to 1 by 6. Is it? Therefore, v is equal to, v is 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, then that is cross multiplication. X into 1, x is equal to 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. Similarly, the value of y is equal to 1 into 4. 4 is equal to minus y into minus 1. Okay, cross multiplication. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. This is the answer of this question. So algebraically, how we can solve algebraically? Here listen one thing. Here only we will give the substitution of x and y. There is no any terms with the x and y. So we will give substitution of x and y. Okay, here we can solve it. Then I will solve one more question. The next question, question number 2. Solve algebraically. 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3y plus 12 divided by 7 into 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2. And 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to Here you see, it's one of the complicated type question. Is it? Two terms are here. Here also two terms. Here you see 2x plus 3y. Here also 2x plus 3y is there. 3x minus 2y. That is also 3x minus 2y. So we will give a substitution for this term only. Okay, this term only. So here, as our previous question, let 1 by 2x plus 3y, that is u. Okay, and 1 by 3x minus 2y, that is equal to v. We can do this also in denominator, so 1 by. Okay, then similarly in both cases. So how will change our question? Then that is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2x plus 3y. We are giving substitution, that is u by 2. Is it 2 is in denominator, 1 by 2x plus 3y we will give the substitution. So u by 2 plus 12 by 7 v is equal to 1 by 2. That is first equation. First one is changed as. Then similarly, then 7. Okay, this means 7 into 1 by 2x plus 3y is it. So it is given substitution for that one. 7u. Okay, 7u plus similarly 4 into. So 4v is equal to 2. That is equation number 2. Okay. Then here, as usual, here once again we can take the LCM. What is LCM here? 14 is the LCM. 2, 7 and 2 is there. So 14 will be the LCM. So equation number 1 again will change. How will change? So 7u, is it 7u plus 14 is the LCM. So 2 balance. Okay. 24 v is equal to then 7. That is now our equation number 1. This is our 7u plus 4v is equal to 2. That is our equation number 2. Now both are in same, 7u, 7u. So as usual, we are going to solve. Okay, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1 anyway. So 1 minus 2 become question number 1 minus 7 minus 7, 0. 24 minus 4, that is 20. V is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. So V is equal to 5 by 20. That is 1 by 4. Okay, the value of V is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, this V we can substitute in any one of the equation. I am going to substitute in first equation. So first substitute V is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 1. Okay, 7u plus 24 into V. V is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 7. Correct, ma'am? 24 into V. V is 1 by 4. It's equal to 7. So 7u plus 6 is equal to 7. That is 7u is equal to 7 minus 6. Okay, that is 1. 7u is equal to 1. Therefore, u is equal to 1 by 7. Here, therefore, u is equal to 1 by 7. V is equal to 1 by 4. This is the value of u and v. Then, as usual, our previous question. U is equal to 1 by 7. V is equal to 1 by 4. Then we can give here. We want to find out the value of x and y. Okay, therefore instead of u, we can give 1 by 7. Equate. Later again, we can equate it. That is 1 by 2x plus 3y is equal to, that is u. That is 1 by 7. And 1 by 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, multiply 7 into 1, cross multiplication. That is 7 is equal to 2x plus 3y. Is it? 7 into 1, 2x plus 3y into 1, cross multiplication. That is 2x plus, again, it is in the form of a quadratic form. Now, here also, 4 is equal to, and 4 is equal to 3x minus 2y. Okay. So again we can solve it. Then 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Then how we can solve it? How? Anyway, first one you multiply with 3 and second one multiply with 2, number 2. This is the first equation, multiply with 3. Second equation you multiply with 2. Okay, for cancellation. Then that is 6x plus 9y is equal to 21 and 6x minus 4y is equal to 8. Now see 6x minus 6x become 0. Okay, equation number 1, equation number 2 minus 1 minus 2 become it's 0. Then 9y minus 4y. What will come? 9 minus 4 because we are subtracting. Okay, so it will become plus 13y is equal to 21 minus 8. Right now? 9 minus 9 4 become 13 by then 20 minus 8 12. Okay, 13y is equal to 30. Therefore, y is equal to 13 divided by 30 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, substitute x is equal to any one of the equation. Okay, we can select the smallest one, smallest equation, because here 6 or 9 large numbers are there. So, we can take small numbers. 2 into 2x plus 2x plus 3y. 3 into 1. 3 is equal to 7. Okay, then no need 3. That is 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So, the value of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, write in your notebook, study. You will get some more questions. Try to solve all these questions. Then the last portion is one more portion is there. One more topic is there. More small topic. It is afterwards. Okay, thank you.